Okay, so it's a little after 2 or something like that. Almost 3. It looks like there's something in there swimming around. Look at that. What is it? Whatever it is, it's just a little too heavy to get pushed over the side. But I love the way that sand looks going down the side of the mound. The aquaclastic flow. But yeah, there's a little creature in there. Look at that moving around, swimming like a little horseshoe crab. It's really interesting. It's alive. It's alive! Yeah, just turning around, going in different directions. Seems like intelligent thought to me. Of course it does. I live in Wisconsin. Not much intelligent thought up in this state. Okay, be back next time.